How to connect two Bluetooth speakers that are not the same brand to your Samsung flagship phone, and this is using the dual audio mode. Please keep in mind that dual audio mode is only available for flagship tier Samsung phones and some of the mid-range phones. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure this feature here, right here, the device control and media output is shown on the first pull down. And in order for them to show on the first pull down here, basically you'll tap on this edit icon here, and you'll see device control and media option here. Go ahead and select show when quick panel is collapsed, okay? So this, you're gonna use that later on. And now the next thing is you're gonna connect your two Bluetooth speakers. So we'll go into the Bluetooth settings here. We'll look for that. We'll long press it here. And I want you to go to where the details is so you can get a better view mode of connecting your devices. I'm gonna go ahead now and pair up this Sony speaker here. Let's go ahead and pair that up first. You go ahead and pair up your first item. So I'll press pair, and it's now connected. You can see the different color in the text, meaning this Bluetooth device is connected. The next one is this speaker here. I'll go ahead and pair it up. So there's my other speaker. I'll press pair. Now the first thing you'll notice, if you want to know if your dual audio mode exists on your Samsung phone, when you first connect the two speakers together, you'll notice that they are both shown as connected. So that means you do have dual audio mode. If only one is shown as connected, that means your Samsung phone doesn't have it. The next thing is now we'll go back into the media section here, okay? You'll see the media output option here. You want to go into that setting there. So go to media output. And the reason why, when you're in this part here, you're going to see the connected Bluetooth devices. One would be toggle, and that's the last paired device. And you can now go ahead and toggle the other one. You'll notice now you have both of them connected and both volumes are accessible, meaning that they are now going to play together at the same time. So with all that said and done, you can go ahead and play yourself a song. I'm going to avoid that because, well, of copyright issues on YouTube, as they're getting far more strict than ever before. But you'll go ahead and try it out yourself, and you'll notice now, I'm gonna go play a song, but I'm gonna mute the song, but at least so you can see the controls. So one thing you'll notice once they're both connected and playing as dual audio mode, when you bring up the volume on either one of them, you'll notice that the audio is going to show two volume panels here, and the other one as well is going to show up there, okay? And once that's there, once that is in existence, that means your dual audio mode is working. Also, when you press down on the volume keys of your Samsung phone, you'll notice the two of them will show up here, and you can adjust it from here as well. And that's how dual audio mode will work. Like and sub, and thanks for watching.